Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Taiwan. It got a little beat up on the way over, but I have a feeling it's just fine, so let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. So I saw that a company was producing Tom Yum instant noodles in Taiwan, and I thought, wow, that's unique. So I reached out to the company. I had to do a little bit of research to figure out how to get a hold of them. And here we have this. This is Thai Town Tom Yum Thai flavor noodles. And I am like all sorts of curious about this stuff. They're big packs. There's 4 packs in a bundle, and yeah, I don't know how they are. Everything looks like they're going to be like a dry noodle. There's no broth. I'm very curious, very curious. So yeah, definitely, I want to try it. So yeah, Thai Town Tom Yum. Thai Town is a restaurant chain over in Taiwan. So very cool. Thank you for sending. A lot of restaurants are doing collaborations and doing stuff you can bring home, like noodles, dry noodles, things like that. So very cool. All right. Well, thank you very much for sending these over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.